Articles your affiliate marketing sites should have. If you want to increase your sales, that is. The past few decades have bore witness to the internet being one of the best ways to earn money. Improved communication and safer money transfers make it easier for both the sellers and the buyers to indulge themselves in the act of buying online. Thus, the boom of affiliate marketing. The main reason why affiliate marketing has become so popular lies on the simple fact that all you have to do is apply for an affiliate program, pay for the program's fees, if there are any, establish your pre-seller site, and right away. Simple, isn't it? Not quite. A number of affiliate marketers do not witness success, or any sales at all, because of the part where they, right away. Writing for your affiliate marketing site does not require the skills of a Pulitzer Prize winner, but those of a smart affiliate marketer. Your articles need to have certain qualities that would utilize online resources best, and, of course, turn prospects into closed sales. This article brings you 5 types of articles your affiliate marketing site should have, if you want to increase your sales, which I know you do. Reviews. People want information. Small is the probability of having a person enter your site and establishing a sale the first time around. They probably didn't even notice the sales pitches you have placed all over your site in the first place. The main thing that must have been going through their minds is that they need the product, and fast. Generally, people hate hardcore sales pitches. They want to know more about the product. So give your prospects what they want. Give them honest and sincere information on your affiliate marketing site in the form of reviews. Be honest with your reviews. Place any cons that might come in buying the product. And since this is an affiliate marketing program, market your product as well. Do so in a way that promotes the product and not sell it. Benefits. Prospects want to know the features of a product the first time they get around to wanting to buy it. If the features of your products are to their liking, they would want to know more about the products. Let them know more of the benefits, instead of features, that come in buying your product. Your product is not the only one in the market, and it probably has other competition out there that have as good, or even better, features than the one you're selling. But if you can provide your prospects with more benefits than the competition can, the more likely will these register as sales increase. Compare. If you are confident of your product's ability to sell in the market, do product comparisons. Also, do so in the fairest way possible. Do not highlight all the cons of the competition while highlighting your own product's benefits. Highlight the benefits of the other product, then compare in such a way that your product comes out on top. Be smart in selecting which benefits of the competitor's product you are going to highlight. If the competitor's product has qualities that yours can't beat, then opt to overlook that quality, and focus instead on the other product's benefits which your product can beat. Make sure sales come your way, and not the competitor's. Testimonials. Your prospects need to know that real people are using your products. Find people who can attest to the benefits of your products in the real world. You might want to keep the contact information from previous sales. It would be good if your previous customers can provide you with photos of themselves, alongside the products if possible. Once you can convince your prospects that your products are good enough for real people, your sales have nothing else to do but increase. News briefs. Keep your affiliate marketing site fresh with news briefs. You might want to include promos, developments, and previously unknown information regarding the product, such as studies show that this product, benefits of the product, or top marketing groups regard this product as one of the most revolutionary products of the 21st century. Keep your news briefs concise. Do not bombard it with too much information. If you happen to have a dozen new information regarding your product, post them on your affiliate marketing site as a week's worth of news briefs. These types of articles can be used all at once, or in a combination. Choose what best works for your affiliate marketing program, or product, and you can be on your way to claim sales commissions that just keep on increasing.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.